Hello everyone, my name is Sajin Keole. From a long time I was searching for Linux training for my career updation. So through internet I got to know about WebAsha Technologies. Then I visited this center physically, got my admission into the RHCSA batch, which was getting trained by Chan sir. He was my trainer and mentor. He was very helpful, and whenever we needed any help and we had any doubts, we used to ask him directly. So trainers are very helpful here. There is no problem with trainers. And physical lab environment is also available here. So if you want to practice on anything, you can directly come and do a lab here. And so there are so many courses which are available in WebAsha Technologies, like cyber security on Amazon, DevOps, and OpenStack. And the knowledge of trainers here is very good and deep. So you can join the WebAsha and upgrade your skill.